Hi everybody, it's Deb again. So I'm back out here in the Suboverland, and surprisingly my foam mattress is already here. Today is Friday and I ordered it on Tuesday. So I'm actually really impressed because they said it could take 8 to 12 days for a custom cut mattress. I was really surprised that it would take them that long for something this simple, and it didn't. So, you know, from start to finish and getting it shipped here, it's only been like 4 or 5 days or something like that. So I'm really impressed. It's called foammattress.com or something. I'll put a link in the description box. But it came all compact and rolled up, and it said that I have to wait 24 to 48 hours for it to be fully fluffed up before I, expect anything from it. But it's like really tightly wrapped with this shrink wrap or something. It's probably going to be loud. Hopefully it's not too bad. Wow. Seriously. They wrap it very well. Whoa, here it goes though. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, maybe I should have done this outside. Okay, yeah. Oh man. Bloopers. No, I'm keeping the bloopers in. Yes, I didn't want to do this outside on the grass because we just mowed the lawn and there's loose grass clippings. Oh. Well, it certainly has a mind of its own so far. Hopefully I don't knock the camera over. That would be bad. Oh. I've got the end totally encased. Freedom at last. Oh. Okay. Now let's see if it fits. Well, it's a little wide, but not by much. Trying to get it down into the frame. I think it's all the way in there. Feels like it. Nope, not over here. It's just a tad bit wider, but thankfully it's flexible. Oh man, it's tall. This is 5 inches. Now I was not able to sit up anyways, even just sitting on the platform by itself. Now I really won't be able to sit up. Let's try it out though. Oh. That's not bad. I need my pillows. Yeah, I can't even stretch out my arms all the way. Well, I kind of can if I press my shoulders all the way to the mattress. sticking to it because it's foam. Let me move the camera up. Yep, can't sit up at all. This is it. This is it. I definitely don't want to wake up startled and hit my head, because that plastic trim right there, that sunroof, that's right above my head. So that would really hurt if I hit my head right there. But I don't normally wake up startled or anything like that. Laying here, I actually see water stains on the headliner. There's a water stain right here and right on the sunroof. Oh God. It looks like somebody had the sunroof open at one time when it rained. That sucks. Hopefully there's no damage anywhere. I never noticed that until right now. Go figure. Yeah, when I get out of bed, I'll just have to like immediately go down here to the little hole. Right here in my little hidey hole, this will be my own, the only free space that I have is right here, because the refrigerator will be right there. So, it's tight space. But there it is, all 5 inches of it. So, it doesn't seem like it needs to expand anymore to me. Got some markings down here. Yeah, that's the measurements. I got the medium density, high quality. So it's not too firm. The next one up, they said was firmed extra firm, and I'm like, no. Because I don't like really firm mattresses. And I can't have it too soft because I was afraid I'd, bottom out or whatever, but I guess with 5 inches I shouldn't have been. But there was a super soft and a medium and an extra firm. This isn't bad. I think I can handle this. Alright, well, there it is. There's my new mattress. I just have to get sheets on it and stuff now. And finish building out the back. I figured I found some fabric baskets, and they're like 11 or 12 by 8, and I figure I can get 4 of them in here sitting this way, and that would mean I could get 5 shelves if I did that. If I did all those baskets and just made it like uniform, the whole interior of this, it would be like 24 of these little baskets that are roughly that size, a little bit smaller. But, so I can take a trip now, I guess. I still don't have my window covers done, but at least I have a bed now. Alright, I will talk to you guys in another video. Bye.